You have the same part or different parts, and you want to get as much use out of it as you can start stacking these parts just like this. So to do this, all you would do is copy that part, take your part and teach it a new start point. Just do a touch-up point on that one. You can stack this table full of 50 or 100 little parts. And you don't have to reprogram the entire part. You just got to teach it where the start point is. Okay. Okay, green button to move it.
Yep, I do have to say yes.
Yeah, there you go. Grab it down there. You can position it better. Hold it in. That'll go over to your linear.
Yep.
Start your point. You got it. There you go.
And I have another top set welder down this day.